In terms of build quality, lighting modes and features, we had the best experience with the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum keyboard. The K95 Platinum is capable of storing 3 different profiles of lighting effects on the device, but still does not support the storage of hardware macros. You can switch between these 3 profiles using the dedicated profile switch on the top left. Other than that, the RGB lighting is amazing, and with the added LED strip on the top, it looks gorgeous. The keyboard has a sturdy frame including the palm rest, which has a magnetic dual-sided rubber mat. Both the sides have different textures that can be flipped according to your preferences. You can find cable grooves at the bottom meant for cables going to the USB pass-through. Do note that the keyboard cables won't fit in these grooves. At such a high price, we did expect dual short molded keycaps, and that's something Corsair should explore to offer in their most premium line of keyboards. Overall, we were very impressed with the build quality of this keyboard. The moment we unboxed the keyboard, we were looking at a new benchmark for higher quality components. Right from the brushed aluminium surface to the heavy-duty dual-sided palm rest, it offered almost everything you would want in a gaming keyboard. The RGB lighting was mesmerizing, and with the help of the software, you can actually create your own custom lighting effects to any level. With only a few qualms on the software side, using the K95 RGB Platinum is an absolute treat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button.